In this video, I'll show you how to get 50% more views on your YouTube Shorts. Sign into Shorts SEO and on your dashboard, click Keyword Research. This will open the Keyword Research page. Here you can type the keyword of the short you're interested in making. Say you're thinking of making dance video shorts. You'd type and search dance videos as a start. When the search is complete, you'll see different keyword data on the page. Let's break this down. The first box shows your keyword's monthly searches. The higher the monthly searches, the better. This number looks good. The second box shows competition level. Ideally, what we want is a keyword with low to medium competition, so this keyword's competition looks good. The last box shows the keyword's trend direction. That's a prediction of whether people will keep searching for it or not. For this, we want either a stable trend direction or upwards trend direction. The one in the video has a downward trend direction, so it isn't very good. But since we've gotten at least 2 out of 3 good stats, it means the keyword is a good one. Next, we're going to look at some related search queries and keywords that people have been searching for to narrow down our keywords for better results. We'll pick dance, videos, hip hop and see what we'll get. Dance videos hip hop has good competition, trend direction, and a good amount of monthly searches. Let's take a look at the related queries and keywords to see if we can further narrow our search. Let's try dance videos, hip hop Hindi song. This keyword has good monthly searches, low competition, and a stable trend direction. We can also check the search interest graph to see how it's performed over time. Lastly, we'll see the top performing shorts section to see what kind of shorts under this keyword are performing best. This will give us an idea of how we should make our short. And just like that, we've got a great keyword for our next shorts video. Thanks for watching.